Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.
Country people, and a good morning. This is BBC Pidgin, and we reach on a live from the FCT High Court, where Justice Origi don order the respondents, where one of them are the Nigerian police, to charge Miss Gloria Okoli to court if they get any case against her on or before the 31st of August. And I remember who Gloria Okoli be. Gloria Okoli na the 21-year-old student wey come out for her house since June, where her people they find her, they no see her until somebody wey been dey police custody see her for police custody for Imo State. Congo tell her family say she dey for police custody. Actually, she leave her house on the 17th of June, according to Tori people, 2021, and she no return. Her family people no know where she dey until somebody wey then released from the IGP Intelligence Response Team come tell her family say in see her for the IRT Tiger Base wey dey for Owerri, Imo State, where she dey cook, dey clean for police officers. All efforts where her family make to release her no get any headway before they can transfer her to Abuja. The matter being caused concern for social media, where civil society groups, Nigerians, and other people will get interest for the story, can't chook mouth for the matter because of how the thing take concern Nigerians and civil society and other human rights group. The IGP of police can order investigation, say make them investigate the matter to know the true situation of the things wey happen. Well, police, according to them, for one press release where then come out, talk say she be the some accused on her, say she be the intermediate person where they receive money, drugs, and weapon on behalf of the IPOB, will be the proscribing dependent people of Biafra, and the ESN will be the Eastern Security Network. Now the accused where the police sama on top her, and then she done the detention since. In fact, according to the lawyer for court today, Samuel Iheseke, into say she done day for police detention for the past 72 days, and by law, it dey illegal to detain person for after 72 hours. Where you know charge the person to court. So now the matter nine carry us come FCT High Court today, where Justice Origi can rule say make them release, make them charge her to court on or before 31st of August. He can give other conditions too, where I go read for honor. Into say if the police fail to charge her to court, then the respondent, then her lawyer get every right to ask for bail, and in they demand the police, if they no charge her to court on or before 31st of August, make them release her on bail with some conditions. In say the person will go sign shorty for her go be civil servant we know they below level 12. Well, other conditions there for the matter, but as it now, make we talk to the lawyer himself. We make sure say him present the case well. We make this thing happen. Oga, I greet you.
Pidgin.
You can speak English, just feel free.
Good day, everyone.
Okay, tell us as the court hearing go today.
Yes, today the case came before the Honorable Justice C. Origi of the FCT High Court 3, Maitama, where I came by way of motion as party. And after a very exhaustive argument and deliberating the issues and the actual factual circumstances between parties in this case, the judge, after considering all the issues, actually in his own wisdom, actually on the first hand, actually ordered in a very clear terms that the Nigerian police, constituting of the IGP-RT unit, where it has been held for the past 72 days, the IGP and the entirety of the Nigerian police force, to forthwith charge this girl to court within the next, I think from now to the 31st. Secondly, to consider the nature and sequel to Order 4 of the Fundamental Right Enforcement Procedure Rules, which grants the powers to the court to grant ancillary and ex parte orders. The court also granted bail to the said Gloria Okoli on the condition of a level 12 and on a bond. She's not expected to pay any money, just a bond if she cannot be found of just 2 million naira. So those were the orders the court also. By implication, we also sought for other reliefs. I know that will not be hard for us to enforce. That is access to the applicant, Gloria Okoli. We know when the police see this order now, they will definitely accede to our demands to have access to our client, Gloria Okoli, because Section 36 actually provides for access to suspects held in the custody of any security agency or held in custody. So we believe from now, forthwith, the Nigerian police will actually comply to these orders when they are served by God's grace by today to this order this honorable court has issued. It has been a great one, and I want to thank everyone.
So since she did for police custody, for court, you thought say you never get any access to her. So what will be the next step for you now?
Yes, we will press and make representation to the police. If we miss on writing them an official letter, we must have access to our clients. Anybody who wants to see his family members, the lawyers, and interested parties like NGOs, they can go and because there are some damning allegations against the Nigerian police force, real damning allegations against the Nigerian police force, to the best of my knowledge, I don't know whether they have actually issued a press release to refute those allegations that led to the issuance of the press statement by the police media department on Sunday. So that aspect has not. They will do all our best to make sure that the police comply with this ex parte order the court granted today.
Okay, thank you, sir. Country people, and I don't hear as the lawyer talk in name na Samuel Iyeseke, na him can stand as representative for Gloria Okoli. Well, as Anaya Asin talk, the Nigerian police must comply with this order where Justice Origi don't give, say they must charge her to court on or before the 31st of August. And if they no charge her to court, the lawyer get every right to take her on bail with a surety of a person will be a civil servant will no day below level 12, and also they will get the right to release her on a 2 million bond, no be cash. So country people, now for the Federal Capital Territory High Court, where we dey for Abuja, where Justice Origi don't order the Nigerian police to release Gloria Okoli on bail if they no charge her on or before August 31. As I tell Anna before, this matter don't cause plenty talk for social media, human rights group, even the human rights, the National Human Rights Commission don't chook mouth for this matter. Talk say make the Nigerian police charge her to court immediately because by law to keep somebody for detention for more than 72 hours they wrong. But Gloria own don't they under detention for police custody for 72 days. Country people, now so it be for the Federal High Court. And so it be for the FCT High Court for Abuja. We hope say the Nigerian police will listen to this order where Justice Origi give, and we also hope say at the end of the day the human rights organizations, the National Human Rights Commission, and all the people who don't chook mouth for this matter for social media, where they follow this case bomber to bomber, then go see say justice they at the end of everything. Country people, now here we go end this live video for now.
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.